I think Hitler would love Ice Poseidon, and I think Hitler would make Ice Poseidon his little puppet, like his little dog, his little fool. What you call that person? So I'm sure Ice Poseidon would say yes to be Hitler's little what you call that? Joker, little Joker. Jester, yes, Jester. I'm sure Hitler would love Ice Poseidon, and he would make Hitler laugh all the time, and he would throw money at Ice Poseidon, and Poseidon would be so happy. Yes, because he only think about you, Goblin. He only think about money. Yes. He don't care if who he works for. It doesn't matter. No. Yeah. So he entertain Hitler. He would get many women and money and everything.
I did it first.
It wouldn't be anything without you telling
But
us to
good try. Good try.
as well as everyone else here in this
good
argument,
hustle.
Lady ZOG
Keep it up.
made up.